Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Daily. In this video, I have brought in the most important reports and indices which includes the month of July and August. So, starting from question number 1, which organization has released a report titled World Drug Report 2021? The answer to this question is UNODC. UNODC stands for United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Some important points on UNODC. UNODC was established in 1997 through a merger between the United Nations Drug Control Program and Center for International Crime Prevention. Its headquarters is located in Vienna, Austria. Now moving on to question number 2. Which organization released the report titled Indigenous Peoples Food System? Answer to this question is FAO. FAO stands for the Food and Agriculture Organization. Its headquarters is located in Rome, Italy. Now moving on to question number 3. Which institution released a study on the not-for-profit hospital model in India? The answer to this question is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog stands for National Institution for Transforming India. It was formed on 1st of January 2015. Now speaking of Niti Aayog, here are a few points. Niti Aayog chairperson is Narendra Modi, as he is the PM of India. CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Now moving on to the next points. 7 pillars of Niti Aayog. The 7 pillars of Niti Aayog are: number 1, pro-people; number 2, pro-activity; number 3, participation; number 4, empowering; number 5, inclusion of all; number 6, equality; number 7, transparency. Now moving on to question number 4. Which institution published a global report on radical justice and inequality? So the organization which published this report is UNHRC. UNHRC stands for United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It's located in Geneva, Switzerland. It was established on 14th of December 1950. And its present head is Filippo Grandi. Now moving on to question number 5. What is the rank of India in the Global Cyber Security Index 2020? So India is ranked 10th. Moving on to question number 6. Which organization released a report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? So its answer is UNCTAD, which stands for United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It was established in 1964. And it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Its present head is Rebecca Greenspan. Now moving on to question number 7. Which ministry recently launched UDISE for the period of 2019 to 2020? Ministry of Education. Question number 8. Which country topped the Sustainable Development Report 2021? Answer is Finland. Question number 9. Which is the highest Indian city in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? Answer is Bengaluru. Question number 10. Which institution released a report titled COVID-19, the race to finishing line? Answer is SBI Research. Question number 11. Which country releases the trafficking in persons report annually? Answer to this question is USA. Question number 12. Which institution released a report titled Suffering in Silence to highlight the plight of Niger during COVID-19? UNICEF. Question number 13. As per a recent Lancet study, what is the approximate number of annual deaths in India due to abnormal temperature? Answer is 7 lakhs. Question number 14. Which institution released a report titled The Hunger Virus Multiplies? Its answer is Oxfam. The report says 11 people die every minute due to hunger. Question number 15. Which Indian state has maximum deaths due to lightning strikes during 2020 to 2021 as per annual lightning report? So its answer is Bihar. Question number 16. The first ever draft Global Biodiversity Framework has been released by which entity? Its answer is UN Convention on Biological Diversity Secretariat, UNCBD. Question number 17. As per the State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World report, how many people went hungry in 2020? So its answer is 811 million. Question number 18. As per data published by WHO and UNICEF, how many children have missed out their routine immunization in the year 2020? Answer to this question is 23 million children. Question number 19. As per the UN data, which country recorded the greatest increase in children not receiving a first dose of DTP-1 vaccine? So its answer is India. DTP. Now what is DTP? DTP means diphtheria, tetanus, toxoids and pertussis vaccine used for active immunization of children up to age 7 years. Now moving on to question number 20, which is also the last question of this video. Which organization has released the Asian Development Outlook, ADO? Answer to this question is Asian Development Bank, ADB. It was established in 1966. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel to get such updates daily. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.